No joke. I mean,
yeah.
you look, even just looking at the map and seeing the little Jamaica in comparison to a storm like 5, 6, 7 times its size, and 127-mile-an-hour winds, like sustained winds, I think.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
The size of Jamaica relative to the hurricane. 175.
Oh, 75. Wow.
Sustained. Yeah, it is an absolute monster of a storm, and like we just heard, the main impacts are going to be from the rain and the terrain there. Those two are not going to work well together. Mudslides are going to bring catastrophic damage, not just to structure, but potentially to life as well. So right now, those gusts for Melissa are even stronger. They're at 215 miles an hour. We are just hours away from that landfall on the west side of the island. The dirty side is going to get the brunt of the storm surge impacts. We could see up to 13-foot waves and 20 to 40 inches of rainfall. Melissa has a long way to go, making more landfalls and more impacts to Cuba, towards the Bahamas, and then eventually exiting off towards the open Atlantic Ocean. It is not going to have any implications to the continental U.S. This time of year, we have fronts that prevent those systems from drifting in our direction. And one of those fronts is actually going to bring us a really nice fall feel really, really soon. Already, it's past through the Panhandle, 43 degrees, waking up this morning in Amarillo. If you have any friends and family in the Austin, San Antonio area, they're going to see the nice cooler air settling in by this early afternoon, and then for us, the front rolls in by late afternoon into the evening hours. So waking up this morning, oh, it's a nice calm day, but it's definitely warm. 69 degrees right now at Bush Intercontinental Airport. That is a 7-degree hike from yesterday. The breeze out of the south, so there is plenty of humidity out there. Those dew points in the upper 60s. That is just for the brief short term, because long-term outlook looks so much better. We drop down, waking up tomorrow in the 50s instead of close to 70, which is where we're at right now. And then continuing to drop those temperatures into the 40s Thursday and Friday. Yes, we start to slowly, gradually build on those temperatures as we head into next week, but we will enjoy what we have right now. This afternoon will be warm as we do see the heat of the day outsmart the front. The front doesn't get here in time for us to cool off today, but it's okay. It'll get here soon enough. Now, as the front rolls in here, we are tracking the potential for some scattered storms, and some of these could be on the strong side. So check this out. By 3 o'clock, the front drops down to Huntsville. By 3:30, it's in Spring, and then downtown by the commute home time frame. 5 o'clock, I think, is going to be pretty messy and potentially loud with thunder, with lightning, and even the possibility of some small hail. Yes, we have a severe threat today. It's a 1 on the 1 to 5 scale, and in addition to the possibility of hail, we will certainly see some gusty winds. So with the line approaching, winds are going to be at 20 to 30 miles an hour, and not just today. In fact, tomorrow it gets even more breezy. Widespread wind could gust all the way up to 40 miles an hour. So for that reason, we've been flagged with a watch for our Wednesday, for the concern of fires. So winds are going to be a concern in addition to it being dry. Tomorrow, the dry air settles in, and that means things are much more flammable. If a fire starts, it could spread quickly. So Colorado, Columbus into Wharton County, be careful about that. And then enjoy the rest of the week, because by Thursday, by Friday, winds relax, temperatures are relaxed. We are relaxed. Everything is going to be so nice. The high on Halloween day is 72 degrees. And then if you're out late trick-or-treating, those temperatures are going to be in the 50s. This weekend looks nice and calm as well. And we get an extra hour of sleep on Sunday. We fall back and we start off the month of November just a little bit warmer. So let's enjoy the end of October while we have it, Jen.